This tutorial video will teach us about the most powerful machine in the universe, the Mastermind that controls our thoughts and actions. We'll also contrast and compare between men's and women's brains. Please like, subscribe, and tell your friends and family about this video. This is a real brain sample. It is difficult to imagine that such a hunk of meat could produce thought. Nerve fibers running horizontally connect the two hemispheres. Different tasks are handled by the two hemispheres. The left hemisphere is responsible for abstract concepts, memory, and logical reasoning. When it comes to creativity and imagination, the right hemisphere excels. The brain controls our bodies. It regulates every action and idea we have. The brain has around 100 billion neuron cells, more than the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy, and serves as the source of awareness or consciousness. The idea that our body's sensors translate external inputs like light, sound, or temperature into electrical signals, and then send those signals to the brain for processing is very unbelievable. These 100 billion neurons communicate with each other in countless instructions. Our ability to run, think, and hide from predators is enhanced by this. Along with water, blood, and fat, our brains are also made of electricity that travels through them in waves. The brain's neutron cells are where the power is. They establish communication and exchange signals. Despite this, the brain only accounts for 20% of the body's energy and 25% of its oxygen. The amount of power produced by the brain while we are awake ranges from 15 to 30 watts, which is sufficient to light a lamp. Despite the fact that the female brain is somewhat smaller, the male brain weighs roughly 10% more than the female brain. More nerve cells and anatomical features in the female brain enable improved emotional processing. Women are better at reasoning than men are, hence men avoid trying to argue with women since they find your arguments to be weak. I hope you have learned something. Why not subscribe to Knowledge is Fun by Allah Deji AK.